Hi guys, I'm out here this morning in Provence, which is in my backyard. That is my vegetable garden and vegetable and flower garden. I like to mix them up, and that's where I grow all the veggies and some herbs that I like to use in the kitchen. And so today's the day I need to clean it out and get it ready for fall. There's some cucumbers that I let go. I got a few more off of there that I'm going to make some relish or some pickles with, and I also want to get out the arugula, and some lettuce is left. The romaine that was in the middle has bolted, and it's just time to get it cleared out. So let's go get that done today, and come along and I'll show you what I get done. All right, this is my Provence bed. It's my kitchen garden with flowers and things included. We've had a bit of a water issue, so some things are looking a little ragged. And the broccoli's fine, the peppers are fine, but I want to pull out the arugula and the lettuce, and definitely we want to get this cucumber out. It's one cucumber plant, but because it's growing over and in the trellis, I'm going to have to take it out kind of piece by piece on the top and sides and then be able to get that plant out. So let's go get that done. Okay, I've got this Sweet 100 tomato here, and I just want to get this up and on that trellis. I plan to let it grow over that. It'll give some shade for the fall planting of lettuce and cilantro and things. One cucumber. Look at those roots, aren't those interesting? Huh. And take down some of this arugula, and I'm not sure if there's any lettuce left in there, but we'll check it out. I'll just tomatoes all spring and summer. So they deserve not to be expected to keep going. All right. It's always hard to go in and pull the things, but it feels so much better when it's cleared out. All right, there we go. And like that, Provence is all cleaned out. I just need to do a little handiwork on the tomato to get it vining across over the trellis, and keep an eye on those peppers to get them nursed back from lack of water. They'll bounce back. And yeah, and probably give everything a little feed. And this project nearly done, so about another 10 minutes we should be good to go. Well, that looks much better to me. That is the arugula and lettuce out. There was some romaine in the middle. I got that out. We had some yellow mushrooms in there. I'm allergic to mushrooms, so Mark came and pulled those out for me. Haven't seen those before. We've had all sorts of varieties of mushrooms show up. We've got the peppers going well over there, and the broccoli still doing fine. Some broccoli on this side too. This poor Anaheim pepper is looking a little ragged from, I think it just didn't get enough water, but it'll bounce back. I may do some trimming on that and harvest some of those peppers. And we still have some flowers, some stalk here. And this, I believe, is a Sweet 100. This is the tomato that I wasn't sure the variety. And it is just happy in its life here, and so I've got that trailing up onto that trellis, and I think that's going to work much better. So now I can just get this bed raked up a little bit, get some mulch on here, and figure out what I'm going to plant for the fall. Thank you for joining me today here in my garden, and we hope you'll come back again and join us for Ponderosa Garden Adventures. See you next time.